Assalamu alaikum dear students. Now today the topic of class 9th chemistry is the Boyle's law. Yesterday we studied the typical properties of gases and today we started Boyle's law. Topic Boyle's law. In 1662, Robert Boyle studied the relationship. In 1662, Robert Boyle studied the relationship between volume and pressure by keeping temperature constant. तो ये एक ऑब्जेक्टिव भी है कि हु स्टडी द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन वॉल्यूम एंड प्रेशर. We say Robert Boyle. So Robert Boyle studied the relationship between volume and pressure by keeping temperature constant. Statement: the volume of given amount of a gas is inversely proportional to the pressure by keeping temperature constant. So the definition of Boyle's law: the volume of a given amount of a gas is inversely proportional to the pressure by keeping temperature constant. When we increase the pressure, the volume decreases and vice versa. अगर हम प्रेशर को इंक्रीज करेंगे, वॉल्यूम जो है वो डिक्रीज हो जाएगा. Mathematically it can be written as the volume of a given amount of a gas is inversely proportional to the pressure by keeping temperature constant. Volume is denoted by V and pressure is P. If we remove the proportionality, we use the constant K. So volume is equal to K. The mathematical form of Boyle's law is PV is equal to K, and Boyle's law can also be defined as the product of pressure and volume of fixed amount of a gas remains constant at constant temperatures. Listen again. The product of pressure and volume of a fixed amount of a gas remains constant at constant pressure at constant temperature. Now if the pressure is P1, then volume is V1 and pressure is increased from P1 to P2 and the volume read as V2. So both are equal to constants and both equal to each other. P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. This is another mathematical form of Boyle's law. From this we calculate the pressure and volume Now the experimental verification of Boyle's law. हम वेरीफाई करना चाहते हैं कि प्रेशर इंक्रीज करने से क्या वॉल्यूम डिक्रीज होता है। इस सिलसिले में एक्सपेरिमेंट किया जा रहा है। लेट अस टेक अ सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ अ गैस इन अ सिलेंडर हैविंग अ मूवेबल पिस्टन. Suppose this is a cylinder. The volume of the gas in the cylinder read as 1 decimeter cube at pressure of 2 atm. When pressure is 2 atmosphere, the volume read as 1 decimeter cube. Now if we increase the pressure, then volume decreases. So volume of the gas decreases due to increase of pressure by again 2 atm. So the pressure total is 4 atm and the volume read as 0.5 decimeter cube. Now further increase the pressure, the volume of the gas decreases further to 0.3 decimeter cube and the pressure read as 6 atm. Again we increase the pressure to 8 atm and the volume read as 0.25 decimeter cube. So these value, if we put the mathematical form of Boyle's law, P1 V1 is equal to K. P1 हमारे पास जो है 2 atm है और V1 जो है 1 decimeter cube है. So the answer is 2 atm decimeter cube. Now again putting the value of P2 and V2 is equal to K. Pressure is 4 atm and the volume is 0.5, 1 by 2. So the answer again 2 atm decimeter cube. Now the third case for 6 atm, put P2, P3 and V3 is equal to K. Again answer, the pressure is 6 atm and the volume read as 0.33. So the answer again is 2 atm decimeter cube. So these things proves that K is a constant quantity. K is a constant quantity. So dear students, आज के लेक्चर में जो हमने स्टडी किया है उसमें बॉयल्स लॉ को हमने स्टडी किया है. बॉयल्स लॉ को और उसकी स्टेटमेंट, एक्सप्लेनेशन, मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म और एक्सपेरिमेंटल वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ बॉयल्स लॉ. तो लेट अस लिसन अगेन the statement of Boyle's law. The volume of given amount of a gas is inversely proportional to the pressure by keeping temperature constants. So mathematical form is volume is inversely proportional to pressure. The formula is PV is equal to K and another formula P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So these are verified with the help of experiments. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज का लेक्चर जो है वो कंप्लीट हुआ. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में दोबारा मुलाकात होगी. अल्लाह हाफिज़.